Limpopo, you off this route. I know you guys don't know this car, but it's cool. Don't worry about it. So I'm on the road. I'm alone. I decided to just go to go see my family. Good Youth Day, man. So spend time with your family, man. Happy Youth Day. Happy Youth Day. Living sharp. I just want to tell you that it's comeback season, baby. It's comeback season. I don't think I feel. I don't think I've ever felt like how I feel right now since the beginning, since I first started trading. You know, I feel like I'm just back and I'm in that space now. Like how I've been just killing these charts, how I've been killing US 30, Nasdaq. It's just I haven't been posting anything. The way I've been going so hard, like leadership, this. The celebrations are limited, man. Yeah. So here's the truth, and what you guys don't know, right? Let me tell you guys the truth. Here's what you guys don't know: is that as a trader, we go through this. We go through something called a trader. It's like a trader's block, man. You know, go through a time where you blow some accounts and you're losing money, and yeah, man, you suddenly just become, you know, less profitable than you were. You know, that happens. It happens to everyone. The difference with me is that I shared the story with you. I'm like, you know what? Let me share this experience with my people so they know how it is being a trader, and whatever they're going through, it doesn't only happen to them, man. You know, trading is not just about profits. See, and remember this. The only reason I can tell the truth and share my journey is because I'm not selling anything. I'm not selling services, so I don't have a reason. I don't have to try to buy anything. I'm not trying to sell anybody anything. You understand? I'm not trying to prove that. No, I don't lose because I don't sell clothes. I don't do anything, you know. So the transparency is always gonna be very hardcore, you know. So yeah, man, you wanna get that from me, you know. You're gonna get that from me. I'm always gonna be real, man. And yeah, just wanted to come live and say, keep going, be happy. I'm working on myself, working yourself too. Remember, guys, let me tell you a secret, right? If you can do it once, do it twice, do it 3 times, do it 4 times, do it 5 times, do it over and over again. Keep doing it repetitively, right? The more you do it, the more you become good at it. And the more you become good at it, the easier it will be for you because you would have mastered it, you know? So, whatever you, especially when it comes to trading, if you're just learning how to trade, keep practicing, keep going, don't stop. Keep fucking practicing because you're gonna get it right, you know? Keep going. My transparency has got me a lot of haters. My transparency has put me in so much danger. You know, I literally have to drive with bodyguards everywhere I go, even behind me right now, you know. So, in my house, like, I have literally security all over the house because of my transparency, you know. And I don't mind. It's okay, you know. If somebody's gonna come out there and try to kill me, I die for the transparency. Then it's okay. You know, my transparency. I've challenged many people. I've challenged even brokers before. I've fought you. You guys know how I've challenged. I'm always about that. I like, especially if it has to do with empowering people, changing lives in South Africa, Africa as a whole. I'm against any bullshit that is gonna tarnish anything. You know, and those are people. You know, people go as far as ignoring the good work that we do that I do in my company and in my foundation and in my academy, and they'll pick out my losses. You know, that they would challenge me. They would make a gimmick and a comedy out of my losses and challenge it, which is okay because I'm amongst people for free. They'll never highlight that I wake up every single morning and empower people in my channel for free with no price. They'll never highlight the fact that I travel all over Africa teaching people for free. And don't raise that. They will never raise that. And we're going deeper. You know, going deeper and deeper into my academy and the Telegram channel. Now we're gonna be introducing currencies, metals, deeper. I'll be introducing live mentorships over YouTube, over Telegram, over Instagram. So I'm going deeper. I want to deal with the enemy and the haters directly. You know, so because clearly they're ignoring what we're doing and all the good gestures that we're doing, and it's okay. You know, if I do 20 good stuff and I do 2 bad things or I get 2 wrong, then you wanna go and take me over 2 stuff. Over all the 19 stuff that I've done to change, like, you know how many people I've empowered, you know how many lives I've actually come across, and how many, but people will never that. You will never have somebody going out there and talking about the good works that leadership does. It's always the best, which is okay, man. It's okay. I mean, Daily Sun really only writes about Casper Nyovest's worst ever. What they'll never write when he does a success. So it happens, you know. The biggest EC, whatever news, Forbes, whatever. I don't know, all these things in America. They'll only write. They'll only speak about Elon Musk when his company when Tesla's gone a few shares down, you know. So yeah, I am on my way to PRK, you know. So that's just the reality. So that's why I don't fear nobody. I don't fear nothing, and that's why I realize that even if it means living with protection, even if it means I have to always be armed and have my gun on me all the time, it's fine. Even if it places me in danger, you know. Now I live a completely different life to how I used to live because of people and hate, you know. So I have to have security all the time. I have to have protection. I always have, you know, my little brother goes to school with the bodyguard. It's those stuff just because of a vision, you know. But I'll never stop, man. I'll never stop. We're gonna keep changing lives, you know. We're gonna keep changing lives. It's comeback season, man. It's comeback season for everybody. So if you're my follower, you're a trader, you're going through a rough patch, it's been hectic for you, listen, give yourself 120 days. It's comeback season. It's comeback season. And I'm going to show you, and I want you to also show me, you understand, like, it's comeback season. And let's talk more action. That's what I'm just saying, comeback season. I'm not showing results, I'm not showing work, I'm not showing nothing, you know. It's comeback season. 120 days, in 120 days, well, let the haters shut up and we show them the work. That's how it is. Trading, nobody's ever gonna be able to stop you because it's comeback season. It's comeback season. It's comeback season. And it's comeback season. Hope you guys get it, man. Anyway, guys, I'm almost in Limpopo. Let me not ruin your day. You guys have a blessed day. And remember, don't give up. Don't give up on God. Don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on your dreams. No matter who says what. Keep going. Keep doing it. And don't ever stop, man. God bless. It's comeback season. It's comeback season.
You've been looking for a reliable broker or looking to upgrade to a safer broker that values its customers and has a history in the industry? Well, guys, look no further than AAA FX. This broker has 14 years industry experience. This means they've been in business from over a decade, and their ability to work with the customer is amazing, as they make the customer success their top priority. AAA FX is an online broker that is based in Athens, Greece, founded in 2008, and it has traders in 176 countries around the world. On their platform, there are over 200 instruments to trade. They offer 3 trading platforms, of which it is the most popular one, MT4, and the next generation platform, MT5, and the most advanced technology platform, Trader. You can trade using your desktop devices, laptops, iOS, Android cell phone, and tablet, so that you can be able to execute those trades while you're on the move. As of 2022, they are current winners of the most transparent broker by UF Awards. Why should you join them? Well, I'm gonna tell you why I chose to join them. Well, besides having my favorite instruments, which are the currencies, since I'm a forex trader, you also find instruments like indices, which works great for me since I also trade Nasdaq and US30. There are shares in spot metals and a vast number of other CSDs and commodities you can choose from. When I make my deposit, I receive a 100% deposit bonus, which means I've got nothing to lose but something to gain. And you can make your deposit at the minimum of $100 only. One thing that stands out about them for me, it is that since I'm a forex trader on over 70 currency pairs, they've got 0 pip spread and also 0 commission upon executing your trade. AAA FX team of professionals are available to assist you 24 hours from Monday to Friday for any challenge that you may come across. Furthermore, AAA FX has a Zulu trade copy trade system, which allows you to copy the trade of the professional traders who have been trading in the industry, and also saving you time and hassle of having to analyze and always in front of your screen. So you can just copy any successful trader's trades on their system. As the Zulu trade system ranks each and every trader's success rate over a period of time, you can also copy the trades of that successful trader on that given week. So take it from me, Mr. Forex and beyond, and place your first trade with AAA FX in less than 15 minutes. And before you do that, you're gonna need to register with them, of which it takes only a minute. And these are the following documents that you're gonna need: your ID photo, your proof of residence, and you can deposit instantly using their over 10 methods of deposit available on their system. And from there, you can start your successful trading journey. And for more details or to register, click the link in the description box and start trading and let your trading journey begins. Good luck.